Hey everyone, let's learn the fashion figures today. In previous class, I taught you the robo figure and today I'll teach you the quick fashion figures. So without wasting time, let's start. This is the stick figures. So first draw a straight line that is 10 inch. Then mark the top of the hair to chin line that is 1 inch. Then midpoint of neck, 1 blocks down for shoulder slope. 2 for bust line, 3 for waist line, 4 for hip line, then come to the down. 6.5 is a knee point and 7 is a calf. 9 is an ankle and 10 is a foot. So we mark all the lines, okay? Then we mark the head. Our head is a oval shape and draw here 1 inch oval shape. Here to here, slightly break lines, draw a oval shape. Okay, if you like to make a round face, so you can also make this. Okay, oval shape, neck, one blocks both side. Here we mark the shoulder line, 6 blocks both sides, 6 and 6. Only mark the dots. Okay, when you make a fashion figures, you joined all the figures. Okay, but only mark the dot, only dot. That is the burst point. 4 blocks, waist 4 blocks, both side. Hip line is equal to shoulder line, 6 block, both side. Only mark the dot. Then knee point. Make a small gap, 116 here, and mark 3 blocks for knee. Okay. Calf length, mark 3 blocks and 116. Here and here. Then ankle, mark 2 blocks, both side. After leaving 116, mark 2 blocks. Okay. Then foot, 3 blocks, both side. So let's smooth the all lines. Here is the shoulder points and waist point, bust point. Make a smooth curve for this point. Okay, and this point. You can broad the face if you want. Here is the shoulder point, just down the neckline and make a curve. That is the apex point, bust line. So you make a smooth curve. Here is a bust line. So here is some difference for armhole, and you can mark the bust both side. And from waistline, bust to waist, make a smooth curve from bust to waistline and joining the hip line. Same both side, waistline to hip line. Here is your hand. You can smooth this. Okay. Hip line, 2 blocks down, that is a hip line. Make a crotch, smooth curve or crotch. Okay. Then hip to knee length, make a smooth curve like this. Okay, between the crotch 116 and 116, leave 116 gaps and join this dot and this dot. A straight line for your thigh. You can erase the center line because there is no need. Okay, so then this is a calf. Make a small upper shape, higher, make a small curve, higher curve, and join the ankle length like this. And here is also make a small curve and join these lines both sides. Okay, you can erase the center line because it disturbing your illustration, so mark the line again. Okay, you can smooth all the line. That is ankle. Here is a foot. You draw the finger end of the flashing figures. Okay, that is our waist. That is a navel point. You can erase the center line because it's disturbing your illustration. Then draw a hand. Make a elbow dots in center at the level of waist. Both sides. That is a straight figure I'm drawing. I'm drawing the fingers. Okay. You can erase the extra lines and make a straight figures here. Make other side the same. That is a elbow line. Arm and fingers. That is a finger. Then you can draw the collarbones. Here is a collarbone. Come to the toe, and here you can draw the toe and all fingers. Erase the line, make a reference line. You can draw a sandal here. Here. Here ankle, you can make a bone, ankle bone. Knee, just smooth all the lines, erase the extra lines. Okay. It is very difficult to make identical in both sides. Okay. So let's make a hair. Half of the head face, half of the face, just divide into half and half to half. Then again divide half. That is a hairline. That is a straight figures I'm drawing. Lightly set the hair. That's why it's up. It's look like a hair. That is a fashion figures. You can see. Let's make a face. First, divide the face. Here is eyes line, nose line, and lip line. Then draw a small eyes. Their eyebrows. Draw carefully because it is very small in scales. Draw a nose. Erase the reference line lightly. It is very difficult to draw a nose in a small scale, so be careful. You can make the shape while setting the face. I'm just creating a dot, then a loop, and setting the nose lightly. That's it's appear like a nose. Make a lip. Lightly set the lip. Erase the nose again, and try to make a smaller nose and lips. First, make a lips, smaller lips. Okay, a nose, smaller nose. You can just create a nose like this and this. So it is very tough to make in small scales. So I'm just creating these two nasal points. And set the other area. Make eyelashes. A bigger eyelashes. A cheekbone. Set the lips slightly, the chin. This is the face. Dark the rest area. So just slightly set the area. So it's appear like a bikini. That is a fashion figures. Okay. And next video, we just color the this illustration. While color pencil, stapler pencil, watercolors, anything. What do you want? What do you have? So मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. Okay.